In the poultry sector, technological advances have revolutionized every stage of chicken production from incubation to processing. This comprehensive integration of modern technology ensures efficiency, quality, and sustainability throughout the entire supply chain, especially in creating crispy fried chicken in food factories. In today's video, Trending Farm will learn about the process of incubating chicken eggs and how to create crispy fried chicken in the factory. Follow this journey with us. KFC Kentucky Fried Chicken is a famous fast food chain in the United States, boasting more than 4,000 restaurants nationwide and is an iconic main dish of American cuisine. Globally, KFC operates more than 25,000 restaurants in 145 countries, reflecting the company's widespread popularity and continued expansion. The company has seen steady revenue growth, reaching $29.7 billion in 2022, marking a 7% year-over-year increase. According to the USDA, fried chicken consumption in the United States remains stable, averaging 25 to 27 pounds per year. KFC's crispy fried chicken, seasoned with a secret blend of 11 herbs and spices, remains a favorite choice for family gatherings and events, underscoring consumer preference for exceptional taste and quality. Furthermore, KFC continuously improves its operations to meet changing market demands, focusing on quality, food safety, and environmental sustainability. Advances in technology have modernized their production process, ensuring each piece of KFC chicken retains its delicious flavor and consistent crispiness, appealing to consumers seeking both flavor and safety whole food. To better understand the process of preparing these delicious chicken parts, we invite you to watch the next part of the video. U.S. food plants adhere to strict standards in poultry farming and processing to ensure clean chicken meets rigorous quality and sanitation criteria. Equipped with semi-automatic stainless steel machines and backed by a 300 kV generator for uninterrupted operation, the facility follows a controlled process. Upon arrival, chickens rest to reduce stress, while operators in protective gear prepare for precise processing. Chickens undergo humane stunning via electric stunners, followed by feather removal. After evisceration, parts are cleaned, inspected, and individually packaged. Simultaneously, chickens are washed, chilled for freshness for at least 3 hours, sorted, and individually packed. After undergoing processing at food factories, chicken is stored in cold storage prior to being prepared into crispy fried chicken. The preparation begins with cleaning and portioning the chicken meat by workers. KFC employs a proprietary blend of 11 herbs and spices for marinating the chicken, each ingredient rigorously tested and stored under optimal conditions. This blend is combined with KFC's chicken fried powder, consisting of flour, starch, salt, pepper, and other spices, which is thoroughly mixed and refrigerated. Once all ingredients are ready, the chicken is marinated in KFC's secret spice mixture for optimal flavor infusion. The marinated chicken is then coated in seasoned flour to achieve a thick, crispy crust. In the food factories, workers either manually coat the chicken or use automated machines. Concurrently, industrial frying oil pans are prepared. KFC maintains precise frying temperatures between 165°C to 180°C to ensure the chicken fries evenly to a golden crisp while retaining its juiciness. Each piece is fried for approximately 7 to 15 minutes, depending on size, until reaching an internal temperature of 74°C. Throughout the process, KFC adheres to stringent quality inspections to guarantee that every batch of fried chicken meets their exacting standards of safety and taste. We heard that if you like the video, you can taste the taste of the final chicken pieces better. To provide high-quality crispy chicken pieces to the market, food factories pay great attention to the origin of ingredients. Many food factories choose to build their own standard chicken farms to provide raw materials for processing factories. This has contributed to the U.S. broiler industry becoming a large and important business, providing chicken meat for both domestic and export markets. According to the July 2024 Poultry Production Forecast Report, it is expected that there will be about 9.12 billion chickens raised in the United States by 2024. Of these, Georgia is the largest chicken-producing state in the United States with more than 4 billion chickens each year. Also, along with the topic of chicken farms in America, we received feedback from some viewers about the largest number of chickens in Texas in the United States. What do you think about this idea? If you know, please leave us your prediction in the comments section of this video. The chicken industry in the United States includes many different types of farms, from small family-owned farms to large-scale livestock farms. In addition, farmers and ranchers also choose to combine free-range and captive chicken farming to improve meat and egg productivity. How will the eggs at the farm be treated? Join the trending farm and watch the next minute of the video to find the answer. To best handle chicken eggs, American farmers will first harvest the eggs. The process begins with collecting eggs from the chicken coop, where the chickens are raised in a safe and hygienic environment in the early mornings. After collection, eggs are transported to processing facilities with modern equipment for cleaning, quality testing, and packaging. The egg harvesting process is complete, which is also the time when American farmers process fresh chicken eggs in the food factory before incubating them. Eggs are washed with warm water and disinfectant solution to remove dirt, bacteria, and pathogens on the eggshell. Workers in food factories use different disinfection methods, such as misting, dipping, or bathing eggs in solution. Eggs are graded according to size, weight, and quality. Then, they are put through egg screening systems to check the ratio before hatching into chicks. During processing, eggs are stored at low temperatures below 4°C to ensure quality and food safety. According to statistics from the United States Department of Agriculture (USDA), in 2022, about 220 billion chicken eggs will be processed at food factories in the United States, and half of them will be put into industrial incubators at factories. The process of industrial chicken egg incubation is carried out using modern automatic incubation systems to ensure optimal incubation conditions. These systems regulate temperature, humidity, and ventilation automatically to create the ideal environment for chicken egg growth. Incubation lasts from 21 to 28 days, depending on the type of bird. When the eggs hatch, the chicks are transferred to the next nurturing environment to develop into adult chickens. After hatching, chicks are carefully cared for in a warm, clean environment. Farm staff monitor them to ensure ideal temperature and humidity conditions. The chicks are given protein supplements and clean water, and each bird's health and development are checked to ensure they grow healthy. The chicks are then raised for about 100 to 120 days until they reach a weight of about 4 to 5 pounds. And they will continue on their journey to becoming ingredients for food factories that process fried chicken. Thank you for accompanying Trending Farm on a tour of our farm and fried chicken factory. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our new videos. For now, grab a drink and keep watching the food factories for the next few minutes of the video.